I'm back with real practical hacks you can use right now to practice speaking English and build unstoppable confidence. But before I tell you what it is, there are some things I want to say to you. I believe it's not the hack that will do the work, it's your mindset about it. If you have a positive mindset that says, yes, what I'm gonna do will help me become a better communicator, and if you stay determined to keep practicing no matter how many mistakes you make, then there is no one in the world who can hold you back from speaking fluent English. I promise you on that. You are stronger than you think, and the fact that you are here working on self growth and your communication skills shows that you are ready to make a change that will open many doors to success in your life. Remember, don't strive for perfection. Just focus on making progress. If today you spoke 2 words in English, aim for 3 tomorrow, then 4 the next day, and keep on progressing. The key is only consistency. And yes, it's perfectly normal to feel nervous or think that you're not good enough. Everyone thinks this way, even me. But I don't let it stop me from taking action. I keep on learning and trying new things to keep progressing, and you can do it too. If you want to join a community of strong-willed individuals working toward English fluency with a powerful mindset, you are invited to join our group Fluent Mindsets on SKOOL. The link is in the description below. In this video, I'll also be sharing free resources you can use to boost your learning. You'll find links to those resources in the description as well. And remember, the hack you are about to learn is just the tip of the iceberg. After trying this hack, I'm confident you'll want to explore even more hacks like these, which is why I have created an ebook with 50 amazing hacks just like this one. You can access the ebook by clicking the link in the description. Okay then, coming back to the hack, say it out loud right now. I'm allowed to make mistakes, but I'm not allowed to give up. Go on, don't just say it in your mind, say it out loud right now. Now it's time to get into the hack. It's super simple. We'll be using flashcards to supercharge your vocabulary. And before you think this is just for kids, let me tell you flashcards are one of the most effective ways to boost vocabulary and train your mind to think directly in English. Flashcards work because they help you actively recall words, which means your brain truly learns them rather than just memorizing them for a moment. Here are 3-step method to use flashcards. Step number 1 is choose 10 new words you don't use often but want to add to your daily conversation. You can make physical flashcards or use websites and apps like Quizlet, Anki or Brainscape. They have a huge collection of flashcards. Step number 2 is review your flashcards twice a day. Set aside just 5 minutes, maybe while you're having your morning coffee or waiting for dinner. Don't just look at the word, say it out loud. Focus on pronunciation and really feel that word becoming part of your vocabulary. You can check your pronunciation on a website called Forvo, where you can hear native speakers pronounce those words in a right way. Step number 3 is use those words in sentences. This is the most important part. By using these words in sentences, you're making them a part of your active vocabulary. If you just learn the words without using them, they'll end up in your passive memory and you might forget them. Write 1 sentence for each word to help add it in your daily conversations and language. Let me show you how you can make flashcards. For example, if you want to practice words like acknowledge, effortless, profound, relevant, adapt, intriguing, reluctant, assertive, encounter, and vivid. These are 10 words. Here's how you can set them up. On the front of the card, you have to write the word which is acknowledge, let us suppose. So at the back of the card, you can write the definition, for example, to admit or accept something as true. Now the sentence for acknowledged can be, she acknowledged the importance of improving her English communication skills. Just like that, for effortless, at the front, at the back, you can write the definition, for example, requiring little to no effort, and the sentence can be, with daily practice, speaking English will soon feel effortless. Now it's your turn to make flashcards for all of these words. Or you can find these words on the apps I mentioned earlier. For extra practice, try not just memorizing these words, but also thinking about how to use them in real life situations. You can watch short clips on Youglish to see these words in action. Just type in your word and you'll see videos where people are using it in real conversations. And if you're feeling bold, you can try recording yourself using these new words. What you can do is record a 1-minute video or a voice memo with each word in a sentence. Don't worry about perfection, please. It's all about building confidence. You can also use Vocaro, that's a website, for quick, no pressure recordings, because there you are just recording yourself and nobody's, taking a look at you. If you want to make flashcards more fun, you can use Memorize to turn your flashcards into a game where you can review vocabulary while earning points and tracking your progress. Flashcards are just like planting seeds. Each review is like watering them. The more you see, say, and use these words, the more they'll naturally become part of your English thinking. Remember, flashcards aren't just about memorizing, they are about building confidence in using new words when you speak. So that when it's time to have that conversation or send that email, you won't panic or second guess yourself. You'll know that you have got the words you need. So this is your task for today. Number 1, you have to create your 10 flashcards using either an app or index cards. Choose words you have struggled with or words you would love to add to your vocabulary. Number 2, review them twice a day. Say each word out loud and make sure you know how to pronounce it correctly. If you are unsure, use Forvo to hear native speakers speak those words. Step number 3 is write a sentence for each word. This part is really crucial. The more you use the words, the more they become yours. And here's a bonus tip. Share your favorite sentence with a friend or in a language learning group, because when you share it with others, it actually makes a difference. This first hack is all about training your mind to think in English by adding new words to your daily life. It might feel slow at first, but every day you're progressing. Each word will bring you one step closer to fluency. So keep going, and soon enough, English will feel as natural as breathing. Once you have mastered these 10 words, celebrate your success. Then you can add 10 more and you can celebrate them as well. I'm with you every step of the way. You have got this, So subscribe to my channel for more amazing things like this. Don't forget to like and comment the words you learned today. Until next time.